Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sufi Shalina binti Azlan Shah.
Assalamualaikum and hi everybody, my name is Elisha binti Cheryl.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarati Shifa binti Sharin.
Hi, my name is Siti Noraisha binti Zainuddin.
Today I'm going to be talking about compound interest. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is a concept in finance where interest is not only earned on the initial principal amount invested or borrowed but also on the interest accumulated over previous periods. It's interest calculated on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous period.
The formula for the compounded interest is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. S is maturity value, meanwhile P is original principal, and I is periodic interest rate, and N is number of interest rate. I equals to K divided by M. K is nominal rate, meanwhile M is frequency for the compounded interest, and N is equals to M times T. T is the time for the compounded interest, and M is the frequency of compounded interest.
So I'm going to talk about annuity. What is annuity? Annuity concepts enable people to plan for the future in terms of investment of savings, a series of equal payments which occurs at equal time intervals. Equal payment deposited and paid periodically over time. Annuity, in which payment made at the end of each period, is called ordinary annuity. However, annuity that payment period coincides with the interest comparing period called by simple annuity.
In annuity, we have two formula, which is to find the future value S and to find the present value A. For the future value S, the formula is S equal R bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N minus 1 divided by I bracket. And to find the interest amount for future value, I equal S minus Rn. So next, the formula to find present value A is A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of negative N divided by I bracket. And to find the interest amount of present value is I equals Rn minus A. So next, the methodology word in annuity is S, future value, A, present value, R is a periodic payment, I is the interest amount, small capital K is the interest rate, small capital I is periodic interest rate, small capital M is the frequency, and small capital T is the terms. Next, the keyword of future value and the present value. For the future value, the keyword is future value, accumulated amount, total amount. And for present value, the keyword is present value, original value, invest, loan or borrow.
The first question for compound interest is Lala invested 12,500 ringgit for 41 months. The investment offered 2.90% compounded monthly. Find the future values for the following investments. P equals to 12,500 ringgit, K equals to 2.90%, M equals to 12, T equals to 35 over 12 years. The I value is K divided with M, which is 0.029 over 12. The N value is M multiplied with T, which is 12 multiplied with 35 over 12, and the answer is 41. By using the formula S equal to P multiplied with in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N, S equals to 13,833 ringgit.
2 years ago, an amount 3,525 was deposited in a savings account that paid interest 2.6% compounded monthly. Today, another 2,300 was deposited into the same account. Find the accumulated amount in the account after 3 years from now. So, P1 is 3,525. K is 0.026, M is 12, and T is 2 years, and I is 0.026 divided by 12, and N is and 12 times by 2 equal to 24. So put the amount in the formula which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. Put the amount in the formula and S1 will get 3,712 and 94 cents. And the amount plus with the 2,300 and the total will get 6,012.94%. The amount it will be the P2. So the amount is still the same, KAM and still the same, and I still the same. T is the different, which is 3 years, and N is the 12 times 3, which is equals to 36. So put the amount in the formula and you will get the answer is 6,518 cents.
So, question 3 for annuity. Hazrul buys a SUV Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid for 130,900 ringgit and he pays 10% of down payment. The balance is to be paid in equal monthly installment for 9 years. The first installment is due 1 month after the date of purchase and the interest rate given by Maybank is 3.4% compounded monthly. So 130,900 ringgit is the cash price and the down payment equal to 130,900 ringgit times 10% of the down payment. The value of down payment is 13,090 ringgit. To find A, the present value, A equals cash price minus value of down payment. So A equal to 130,900 ringgit minus 13,090 ringgit. The answer for present value is 117,810 ringgit. Question A. Calculate the monthly payment. We will use formula to present value, which is A equals R times 1 minus 1 plus I the power of negative n divided by I. So 117,810 ringgit equals R times 1 minus 1 plus 0.034 divided by 12 the power of negative 108. We need to solve the bracket first. It is 170,810 ringgit equals R times 92.92753754. R equals to 170,810 ringgit divided by 92.92753754. The answer is R equals to 1,267 ringgit and 76 cents. Next, for the question B, immediately after paying for 7 years, Hazil wants to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that needs to be paid? We need to find the amount of A after 7 years payment. So, N equals the balance terms that unpaid. N equals 9 minus 7 times 12. The value of N is 24. Next, A equals R times 1 minus 1 plus I, the power of negative N divided by I. So the calculation is A equals 1,267 ringgit 76 cents times 1 minus 1 plus 0.034 divided by 12 the power of negative 24 divided by 0.034 divided by 12. So the value of A equals to 29,374 ringgit 61 cents.
Question 4. Fahmi buys a sport motorcycle KTM 392 for 35,800 and he pays 20% of down payment. He takes a loan from M-Bank to settle the balance at interest rate of 3% compounded monthly. The first installment is due a month after purchases. The loan is to be repaid over 9 years installments. So, based on the statement, we need to identify and write down the information given. So, 35,800 will be the CP, which is cash price. and the DP equals 35,800 times 20%. So the down payment value equals 7,160. To find the value of A equals cash price minus down payment value. So 35,800 minus 7,116. So the value of A equals 28,640. K equals 0.03, M equals 12, I equals K divided by M equals 0.03 divided by 12. T equals 9, N equals M times T equals 12 times 9. So the value of N equals 108. So question A. Calculate the monthly payment and the total interest charge. To find the monthly payment, we will use the formula of A, which is A equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of negative N divided by I. So A 28,640 equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12 bracket the power of negative 108 divided by 0.03 divided by 12. So we need to solve the right side first. So 28,640 equals R 94.5453014. So R equals 28,640 divided by 94.5453014. So R equals 302.92. Next, find the total interest charge. So we will use the formula of I, which is I equals Rn minus A. I equals 302.92 times 108 minus 28,640. So I equals 4,075.36 ringgit. Question B. Determine the fourth payment to settle all arrears if he has not paid the first 3 repayment. So for this question, we need to find the value of S at the fourth payment. So the N will be 4. So we will use the formula of S, which is S equal R bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N minus 1 divided by I. So S equals 302.92 bracket 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12 bracket the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 0.03 divided by 12. So S equals 1,260.23 ringgit.